I, your mayor, is a product of public education system. Tulungan Center, Rosario Almario Elementary School, Tondo High School, full-blooded public school product. So kung nangyari sa akin ito, pwede rin mangyari sa inyo, mga bata. Mga guro, it happened to me, it can happen to your students. It's not impossible nowadays. Okay? I am no special. I'm just one of those ordinary kids or pupils of yours. So it can happen to them. You are now building future parents, future doctors, future professionals, or maybe elected officials. So hone them, guide them, and be patient to us. Kami mga bata, minsan makukulit lang talaga kami. Parang may mga senior pet namin. Pero we love you, teachers. We respect you as our teachers. That's how I feel when I was your pupil.